What's up everyone? Hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you how to fix a very common awning arm alignment issue. Many of you may have noticed that over time, as you retract your awning, it doesn't align perfectly with the frame that's mounted to the RV. So before you take your RV to the dealer or buy a completely new awning, there's a quick alignment fix that you can do, and it will only take you a couple minutes. It's a very common problem, and chances are your awning arms are not bent. I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue in just about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Stick around. Why does this happen? Over time, your awning will stretch and expand. This happens from wind, rain, UV rays, and just the aging process. And as the awning stretches, it doesn't roll up perfectly as you extend and retract it. Now, there's a bunch of different styles of awnings out there, but this fix will work on most that are on the road today. So here's how to fix it. First thing you need to do is recognize which way your awning arm needs to move to be back into alignment. As you see on my RV, the arm is too far to the left, so we need to move it a little bit to the right. Next, completely extend your awning, get your ladder out, or you can go up on the roof and take a look at where the awning connects to the RV. You should see a screw in the gutter or drip rail that holds the awning in place. You're going to remove that screw and push or pull your awning in the direction that it needs to move. So for example, my awning was too far to the left or towards the back of the RV, so we need to push the awning to the right or towards the front of the RV. Now on the other hand, if my awning arm was too far to the front, I would need to move it to the back, which would mean I would pull my fabric back. For right now, you only want to move the awning about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now don't put the screw back in yet, but retract your awning and check your alignment. As you can see here, my awning is now centered and aligned. If your awning is not aligned after your first adjustment, just extend your awning again and continue to make adjustments until it is centered. Just keep that screw out until you know everything is centered, and then you can go ahead and put that back in. When you're done, just check the other side to make sure that arm is still in alignment too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click that like button so YouTube knows to show it to other people who may have the same issue. And as always, we hope you consider subscribing. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, happy camping, everyone who may have the same issue. And we also all and as always